Hey everyone, it's Duchess DJ Love. Today, I'm excited to share with you 6 powerful laws that have transformed my journey. These laws, often called universal laws, are principles I've woven into my life, and they've been absolute game changers, from building my blog to writing books and connecting with incredible people worldwide. These laws have helped me manifest my dream life. Let's dive in. You know, darling, success doesn't just magically appear. It's about pouring your heart into your passions. For me, that meant crafting detailed travel guides, sharing savvy budget tips, and opening up about my personal experiences. It meant late nights, early mornings, and a whole lot of dedication. But let me tell you, the rewards have been incredible. Choosing to focus on budget travel wasn't just about saving money. It was about showing others that you can see the world without breaking the bank. And that decision, my dears, created the most beautiful ripple effect. By consistently offering valuable content, I became known as a trusted voice in the travel world. Speaking engagements, collaborations, they all stemmed from that initial choice to share my passion for budget-friendly adventures. Writing my books on wealth and travel was a labor of love. I poured my heart and soul into sharing everything I'd learned, hoping to empower others to achieve their dreams. And you know what? The rewards have been beyond my wildest dreams. Seeing my books help readers, becoming a recognized authority in my field. It's all a testament to the power of investing in knowledge and sharing it generously. Chapter 4, The Law of Attraction. Manifesting your dreams. Darlings, your mindset is everything. From the beginning, I envisioned myself living a life filled with purpose, travel, and abundance. I focused on my goals, cultivated a positive attitude, and truly believed in the power of attraction. And let me tell you, the universe responded in the most magical ways. Incredible partnerships, sponsorships, and a community of supportive followers, they all came into my life because I dared to dream big and believe in the power of my own thoughts. Chapter 5, The Law of Abundance, Embracing Limitless Opportunities. Life is full of possibilities, my dears. Embracing an abundance mindset has allowed me to explore so many exciting avenues, from blogging and podcasting to coaching and beyond. It's about recognizing that there's enough success, wealth, and happiness to go around. And when you approach life with that belief, you open yourself up to a world of opportunities. Chapter 6, The Law of Reciprocity, the Gift of Giving. One of the greatest joys in life is giving back. Sharing travel tips, budget hacks, and personal stories with you isn't just about providing information, it's about creating a beautiful cycle of giving and receiving. And the support, engagement, and incredible opportunities that have come my way are a testament to the power of generosity. Outro, live your most adventurous life. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope these laws inspire you as much as they have inspired me. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality and manifest your dreams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and stories from my travels. Until next time, stay adventurous.